Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add Google login to your Supabase app. So in order to do this, you'll have to ensure that Docker is installed and running and install the Supabase CLI on your PC. Then what you'll have to simply do is initialize a local Supabase project. So on Supabase, you'll have to simply navigate to your project root and run this command, that is Supabase init. Then create a config.toml file and start the Supabase project by typing in this. Note that the first run may take time to download images and running containers. Now, you will get an output that will look something like this. After that, you'll have to configure environment variables. So store the API URL and anon key in your .env local file like this. Then set up a Google Cloud project. So create a new project in Google Cloud Console. So navigate to Google Cloud, choose OAuth consent screen, and here what you'll have to simply do is click on Get Started. Now choose the app info. So enter your app name, user support email, then click Next, choose audience, complete the information in that field, complete the contact information, then finish it and click on Create. After you do this, you'll have to set the user type to external. Then go to Clients tab and create OAuth client. So application type will be web application and the JavaScript origins can be left empty. Add redirect URIs. Now go to the Data Access tab, click on Add or Remove Scopes like this and select the following scopes, usually the first three, and click Save. That will look something like this. So copy the client ID and client service and client secret to a new .env file in your project root and add the following lines to your .env file. Now, after doing this, you'll have to update the Supabase config. So open the config.toml and search for the auth.external section. You should see a section like this. Now, duplicate the code and change the section name to auth.external.google and update the values. Set enabled to true and skip none check to true. Then set client ID and secret to environment variables you created in the .env file. Then set the redirect URI to this, same as the one you added in the Google Cloud project. Now search for site URL under auth section and set it to this. Now restart Supabase. So after updating the config, restart Supabase by tapping in this and implement the Google sign-in. So you can use the Next.js repository to test the Google sign-in and you can find the repository on github.com's page. Then you'll have to create server action and create new file, then add a form with button to call the handle Google sign-in function. So basically you'll have to update the config.toml file with Google OAuth settings, restart Supabase after changes and ensure redirect URIs are correctly configured. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.